Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find the area code in EasyPark. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store of course, whichever you have, and download the EasyPark application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or of course register if you already do not have a profile. Now, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the official EasyPark application, where we have a lot of them going on. We have the location. My location service is off at the moment, but be sure when you have it, it will pop out here. Also, in the top right corner, we can see that we have activity, vehicles, account, and payment, so a lot of options for your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find the area code in EasyPark. So while in or near your vehicle, open the EasyPark application. So you can do it when you're near your vehicle. The app on the home screen will place the pin at your location and show the current area code. So basically, the app will recognize by itself that you can do it and will pin it on your location. Make sure that you have GPS turned on and to check whether the pin is placed where the car is located and that the area code is of course correct. And that's basically how you can actually go and do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys!